Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Once there, identify the adapter you will change, like Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and note its exact name. Next, click More Network Adapter Options to open the classic control panel view. This is necessary because Windows 11 still uses the Adapter Properties dialog for static IPs. Make sure you have your desired IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS values ready before proceeding. This prevents downtime. You now open the adapter's properties and double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4. Select Use the following IP address to input your static IP, the subnet mask, and the default gateway. This tells Windows exactly where to send traffic. Then set preferred DNS and alternate DNS so name resolution remains reliable. Once values are entered, click OK and close. Windows will apply the change. If you need IP6, repeat the same steps for Internet Protocol version 6. Otherwise, once done, verify the new settings by running ipconfig/all in command prompt. You should see the static IP listed for your adapter. If you lose connectivity, first make sure the subnet mask and default gateway are correct. Typos are the most common issue. Also confirm the adapter is enabled and not using VPN or alternate profiles. Finally, use ping to test the gateway and tracert to trace failures. These commands quickly show whether it's a local config error or an upstream network problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.